All right, so we've just finished a tour of the new two-story classroom building, and right now we're in a science classroom. We're going to have all four of our science teachers for 7th and 8th grade, as well as our GT program upstairs on the second story, so they can collaborate together, work together, and share some ideas. And this hub space is going to be a special open spot where teachers can bring their classrooms and kind of have an open seating, just a free space to do some different collaboration with our students, from design and planning, which took place at the beginning of my first year here, to the building of the new gym, to the destruction of the old gym, and the building of the new two-story classroom building. It's been much better than I ever thought it would be. But now that we have 7th graders that can look outside the room and see the new building, rising up in front of their eyes, they're excited about being the first ones to walk through the hallways of the new campus and being able to realize the new spaces. So the Panther patio is going to be redone. We're going to have a beautiful open space on the south side of our library, which is going to be like the hallmark classroom for our students. It's not only going to be a beautiful library, but it's going to have the maker space. As we go into our kitchen area, what you're going to notice is that we have a lot more space dedicated to the storage of food and to cooking food, keeping food warm. Next year, we're going to have at least an additional 300 students. We are projected right now at 968 students entering our school, and so our cafeteria has got to have the ability to serve each of those students.